I had breast cancer in the right breast, and 4 years later I got cancer in the neck, and I had surgery and had lymph nodes removed, and noticed after my surgery that I had a little bit of swelling, but it wasn't really the swelling that bothered me, it was the movement of my arm. So I asked what I could do, and they recommended to go to a therapist, and I came here and got some therapy, and they noticed that I had a little bit of lymphedema in my arm, my right arm, and also underneath my chin. And I couldn't lift my arm very far. It was just about here, and then I was able to lift it up even farther, and I was able to reach behind my head and comb my hair, reach up into the shelves to get a plate or a cup. That was hard for me. It's still a little struggle sometimes, but I'm getting there with the help of ReVital. Their therapists here are awesome. The exercises works, and it really helps. You just have to be motivated to keep doing them even when you're not here, and to keep yourself going and well.